Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you that how can you mute the video or remove the sound from the video before sending it on WhatsApp or iPhone. So let's get started by opening WhatsApp. Now go to that chat you want to send the video. Now, for example, I want to send video to this contact without the audio. So tap on this add icon and now click on photo video library. Now select that video you want to send without the audio. And now let me show you the audio of the video. You can see this video has audio, and if you want to mute the audio, then you have to tap on this speaker icon. Now this video is muted and the sound is removed from this video. Now you can send it to the person you want to send, and it do not have any sound. So this is how you can remove the sound or mute the video before sending it to WhatsApp. Thank you everyone.